Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy here, and this is a bit of a difference because I'm not face to camera, but this is a yarn of the week. I just felt like it was going to be easier to try and do it on the countertop. So my yarn of the week this time is a King Cole yarn, and I wanted to do this for a while because it's a much underrated yarn. It is called King Cole price wise, and it's very inexpensive, but it is absolutely lovely and squishy soft. Now it is trying to look at this one I've got in my hand, which is not a very good colour to look at. I'll try this one. I have got some glasses somewhere. Oh look, they're right up there on top of my plug socket. That would be easier. So they are 100 grams, obviously, and they are 100% acrylic. Oh, that's also acrylic in other languages. It's 320 yards or 298 meters. Now, the beauty of price-wise is that it's a double knitting yarn, but it is a nice size, I feel. The strand itself is a really good size, and they got some lovely colours. Now, this one's kind of emerald, and it's called Shamrock. It's called Shamrock, so it's not emerald. And we've got this really beautiful teal, and it's called Surf. They've got some gorgeous colours, and it's perfect for making blankets if you do big projects, you know, for some people do charity blankets. Well, this one's just called Red, which is pretty decent sort of description of it, isn't it? So I'll put those there for a sec because there are rather a lot. And then we've got this brown one, which is called Chestnut. And obviously we've got black. Are we calling it black? Yes, we are. That's a good sign. And a white, which they are, yes, they are calling white. But it doesn't end there. Got some really lovely colours. Now this one, I just bought some yarn, and I said that, you know, I wasn't going to part with it because it was Sonic the Hedgehog colour. But I didn't realise that they do one in their pack that is kind of Sonic and Mario colour too. And that's called Royal. They are absolute. I thought they were premium acrylic when I picked them up because they are really soft. And it's got the wise old owl there, see? So price-wise. And I've got this colour. It's beautiful pink colour, and it's called Fondant. So that's Fondant. And there we go, up the right way. And put that one there. And what I really love about it is that if you're making anything rainbow, it's beautiful, soft yarn. You can make rainbow blankets and all sorts with. And just recently I put some yarn bundles of it. So I put some colour packs. Now this one is purple, which never really films properly for some reason. But it is a purple, not to be confused with the blue. If I put them side by side, it might purple it up a little bit. But this one is a nice, beautiful, vibrant, bright purple. And it's called purple. You can never really guess what they're going to call it. But yeah, I'm not sure if this is all of the colours that I do. But there's also this really lovely lemon, which is called Buttermilk. And it is kind of a buttermilk colour, actually. It's looking a lot more lemony. It's more kind of buttery. So those are the colours that I've brought over to show you for now. But I don't know if there's more in my boxes. It's just hard to get them all out. But I have, as I said, put up some colour packs, which are even more money saving. So this is on special offer anyway. I always do a special offer. Gary is... Yeah, I will have that, thanks. He's showing me a basket to see if I want it through the window. Sorry, it was distracting me. But, yeah, so what was I saying? I put up some colour packs. So it's on special offer anyway because it is my yarn of the week. But, so it's quite reasonable price. If you're making a big project, it's really good to have some colour. And you don't, you know, if you're making blankets for charity or whatever you're doing, and you don't want anything that's really high cost. But buying the colour packs is even cheaper than buying them individually. So they're worth checking out, and they are. You will find them on my website. If you haven't found that already, there is a link to it in the description box. It's called hobbyrocks.co.uk. That's hobbyrocks.co.uk, and there is a voucher code at the moment, which is £5 off, even sale items, and that you'll find underneath the video so that you can cut and paste it. And that will give you £5 off your basket. As long as you've spent over, I think it's £30, you get £5 off. So that's pretty decent value as well. And then this is even more on offer. So you can't really go wrong. But there are some absolutely gorgeous colour combinations. Now, I think I must have more colours than this because I put up 3 separate bundles. And I haven't got 3 bundles worth here, so it's just that I've got it in rather a lot of places. But there is some actually really lovely kind of baby colours and the white, or if you want to get sort of more vibrant colours, there are as well, like the purple. Sorry, my packing stuff is falling all over the place. But that's the King Cole price wise. Now, I have used this myself quite a lot. I've made blankets with it in the past. I've made it for the kids. I've made it for myself. Quite a lot of the time, my earlier tutorials, I used a lot of price wise because I was using my stash, because I didn't have a shop then, and it was my own private, like, personal stash. And I used a lot of this yarn. I used to get it in the local kind of hospice thrift store, and I did it to help them out as well because it was a children's hospice. So I used to buy it in there, and it was, you know, inexpensive, so I used to make up big projects with it. And so a lot of the time I've used it a lot, and I will tell you now it's softer now than it used to be, so it's even nicer than when I was using it back then. It's much softer now. And it is, like I said, a really consistent size with the strand. You can see them, they really do match up quite nicely, because sometimes when you buy yarns, you'll find you'll pick up one colour, even if it's the same, you know, double knitting price wise, etc. You pick it up and you use a colour, and you find that the one colour comes up much thinner than the others. But you can see these strands, they're all very same size, or very, you know, very good matched sizing. You don't find thinner ones and fatter ones. They're all pretty decent. So that's one thing I really like about it. And it's, you know, you get that different sizing, that kind of mismatch of sizes, even in expensive yarns. And it's kind of, you think, well, I paid all this money for this yarn, and that when I pick up a different colour, it doesn't match. But this is quite good sizing. Anyway, this is my yarn of the week, the King Cole price wise. Hope you like it, and it is a really good one for making nice kind of big projects as well, if you've got to spend out a lot of money. So thanks for watching. Stay safe and take care, and I'll see you on the next one. And if you want to check out the yarn bundles, you'll find them where it says mystery boxes and yarn bundles. They're all kind of together under that part. Okay, bye for now.